Hi everybody, this is Mike Scott, and I really look forward to seeing you in Amelia Island, Florida in January. I define accountability as doing what you said you would do, as you said you would do it, when you said you would do it, with no surprises. In other words, everyone keeps their word. Having an accountable dental practice means that you have a thriving practice. It's all about building trust in relationships. One of the biggest reasons we have non-accountability is we actually support its existence by the language we use. Think about this for a moment. When someone misses a deadline or the scope of what they agreed to do, what's the easiest and normal question we ask? We say to someone, "Did you get that done?" They go, "Oh, no, I didn't." What's the question that almost falls out of our mouth? Why or why not? The minute we do that, the person asked is now primed to give us an excuse, which we just asked for. And if we've done this with the person in the past, they'll actually even try to give you an excuse before you ask for it. And of course, after they give us the excuse, what do they expect to get? A paycheck. The moment we ask why or why not, we're in the process of supporting non-accountability. Here's my one suggested action from this session that'll immediately stop excuses in your practice. Beginning this moment, stop asking why or why not. What should we ask, you say? Let me tell you. Instead of asking why or why not, ask the following 3 questions. What's your next step to get it done? When are you going to do that? Can I count on you for that? Even if they try to give an excuse to say, just a minute, what's your next step to get it done? When are you going to do that? And can I count on you for that? You're looking for a way to move the action forward, not for an excuse why it wasn't done. And you're also setting up a new way to deal with you. Don't come with excuses. You have to come with results. This is Mike Scott, and I look forward to seeing you in January in Amelia Island, Florida.